إِذْ قَالَ لَهُ رَبُّهُ أَسْلِمْ قَالَ أَسْلَمْتُ لِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. When his Lord said to him, to Ibrahim, Aslim, submit to the commands of Allah, he said, I submitted to the commands of Allah. And what is the commandments of Allah given to him? We can put aside all the commandments of God to Prophet Ibrahim. We can discuss the one commandment. We can understand that what is the meaning of commandments of Allah. For example, Allah commanded to Prophet Ibrahim, for test him, slaughter your son. Allah commanding to Prophet Ibrahim, and he want to check what is the response of Prophet Ibrahim when Allah is commanding him to slaughter his son. For example, if Allah command me, go and slaughter your son, I cannot do it. I will rather fall in sajda, I'll put my head on the floor, and I will keep on crying to Allah, Allah, take back this commandment from me, I cannot do it. It is the greatness of the Prophet Ibrahim, who is willing to slaughter his own son. The Prophet Ibrahim, he did not say, I'm sorry Allah, please give me one chance, don't let me do this to slaughter my son. I cannot do it, please forgive me. No. He said, Allah, I'll do it. He brought his son and he also want to slaughter his son with his own hands. And that was his only son that time, Ismail. And he's willing to slaughter him. Then Allah did not allow the knife to slaughter his son. Allah commanded the knife not to slaughter his son. Rather, Allah sent the sheep and he led him to slaughter that sheep and to become the feast, which we are celebrating Eid al-Adha. Following the commandments of Allah, it's something great. Fajr time is a very great commandment of Allah. In all the salah, the most important is the Fajr salah. When we are sleepy and we don't like to get up from the bed. And now I will say, no, I should stand up because Allah commanded me to stand up now. And that's Allah loves it. Allah wants to see that how loyal we are, how obedient we are, how loving we are to Allah. So Fajr time is a test for us. When you can wake up from the bed, stand up, I'll pray now. Even I'm sleepy, I don't want to sleep anymore because Allah commanded me to wake up for Fajr. That is the meaning of following the commandments of Allah. Try to see in your life. You're very hungry and you cannot find the food halal. You know that is not halal and that is haram because it's not slaughtered. It's with blood, it's with dirtiness. And you say, no, I will not eat it because it's haram. I will sacrifice until I will get the clean food, the halal food, then I'll eat. Then you can show to Allah that Allah loves you very much. A person has a girl in his life, but they are not married. But he will not do any relation with her until he gets married to her. Because Allah commands us to get married and not to have a relation without marriage. So all the life we get something to prove Allah that Allah, I love you and I want to follow your commandments for your sake. And that is a test for us. If you fail the test, then you fail your life and you're going to hellfire. And if you pass the test, then you are passed in your life, you can go to paradise.